Here's a little hack for you guys with a Jeep Wrangler with power heated mirrors. When you go to replace your mirrors and you go to pull the cord out from the door, this is a trick that you should probably take advantage of because I learned from my mistake and it sucked. Check it out. Grab yourself some simple twine, or in this case it's just kitchen cord. So grab a little bit of this and probably cut about, I would say about a foot off of it. Just take about a foot or so off. That's probably good enough. Just cut it off. Hang on to it because you're gonna use it in a little bit. All right, once you pop the last of the door panel off, take the door panel off. These are your two bolts for your mirror. This is your power cord right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unplug it. Then the next thing you're gonna do before you take these two bolts out, this little rubber grommet right here, this little rubber grommet, we're gonna pop it out. Okay, and then we're gonna stick it into the door. Here's where your twine comes in handy. So as you can see, here's the cord right here. The mirror's over here. This cord actually does a little S-curve through the door and out. So you don't want to just jam this into the hole and pull it out because you will never fish it back in. So here's where the twine comes in handy. So you grab your twine. And basically all you're going to do is just tie it to the cord, tie it to your plug right here. Tie it nice and tight. You don't want this to come off. Trust me. Been there, done that. Once you have your cord, and once you have your twine knotted to your cord here, then you can go ahead and remove these two bolts. Once those bolts are out, the mirror should be loose. There it goes. Now, all you do is you just fish this cord. Just fish it through. You can actually just lower your get your plug now. You can put your plug in. Just pull it out. So, and there you go. Cord on one, string on one side, string on the other. Once it's out, in my case, we're painting the doors. So all I'm gonna do is just cut it. So now I have string on the outside, string on the inside. Putting it back together is gonna be as simple as that, is you're just gonna tie it back to the cord and you're just gonna pull it through to get the plug to come through. So that's a little trick that might come in handy for some of you guys if you're removing the mirrors on these doors so that you don't have to take this whole debacle apart. Makes it a whole lot easier. I hope that helps out.